Hey guys, it's Mr. G with the agenda for September 9th. After the video, you are doing the question of the day, which is on a cool rainy day in the Google Classroom, much like Monday's weather. Those in class will do the ET memes, the quizzes game, and question and answer. We all are going to be doing challenge number 5. The shortcut is right there, which will bring you to this that has everything you need. Just watch the tutorial. I made this one for you guys on Monday, and it works. Everything's great. You should have fun. The goal is to make your own unique meme. Ideally, it'd be great if you put yourself in the meme. We don't force you to. This is one I made. I either made this one for it, or I did this one where I maybe just had "Hey Family" at the top. I forget which one's in the tutorial, but either way, that's what you're doing. At the end of this, you should have 5 completed challenges. Your name, your shadows, you're removing someone from an image, your picture-in-picture, and now a meme. So I am really looking forward to seeing all your work. We're going to do a 2-day challenge, Thursday, Friday, and get all your work in. So today is the meme. Make it creative. Have fun doing it, and I will see you soon.